Rado Anatom Automatic Skeleton Watch. Main features are anatomical fit. The watch is uniquely shaped to sit flush against the wrist. It measures 32.5 mm in width, 46.3 mm lug to lug, and has a profile thickness of 11.5 mm. Plasma high-tech ceramic. The bezel and crown are forged using Rado's advanced plasma ceramic process, giving it a distinctive fluid metallic gray finish without using any paint or metal plating. Architecture features a curved cylindrical sapphire crystal with metallized gray edges that flow seamlessly down into the rest of the case. The middle case is brushed stainless steel. Strap and accents rather than a full ceramic bracelet. It features a textured gray rubber strap separated from the case by luxury yellow gold PVD-coated end links. The folding steel clasp features a plasma ceramic cover. Caliber R808. The open work dial puts the intricate Rado R808 automatic movement on full display. The watch features a layered architectural layout showcasing a combination of brushed anthracite parts, gray bridges, and gold-colored gears. Power reserve delivers a robust 80-hour power reserve. Anti-magnetic and precision, equipped with an advanced Nevacron hairspring to protect the timekeeping from magnetic interference, precision tested across 5 different positions. Luminescence. Time visibility relies on open-worked yellow-gold PVD hands and solid blocks of white superluminova for the index markers. Rado Anatom Automatic Skeleton. Reference R10,206,109 is a premium, open-worked luxury watch that pairs the signature curved, ergonomic silhouette of the historic 1983 Anatom line with advanced high-tech plasma ceramic. Materials. It marks the very first time in the Anatom collection's history that the dial and movement have been fully skeletonized.